Alright guys, live trade, currently in a trade right now, as you can see. This is my 1-to-1 point here, so I gotta wait. But if we close below this here, I'm cutting the trade. Cutting the trade, calling it a day, because for me it doesn't make sense for us to do that if we're gonna really fill this out here. But yeah, this is, damn, that's not even 1-to-2, man, shit. Oh, fuck, yeah, I don't know. I might just cut it off there, or maybe go from, I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, TP would have been hit on the first entry. Well, I'm about to get hit, but we gotta take it out. The reason for this was 15-minute tap, clear buy side, CISD closure above here. Yeah, that's the reason for that entry. But yeah, like I said, if we close below here, I'm gonna cut it. So we also still have that 5-minute. Obviously, I don't think we're gonna hit the 5-minute, but yeah, we're gonna call it a day there, man. If that does happen, hopefully not, but we'll see. This is not moving like how we want it, man. I mean, it's understandable because fuck, look at this move. Big ass move. And then they want to chop it around for a bit. Just understandable, I guess. What is it, 40 more points, bro? Come on, huh? Nice. Okay, we're at 1-to-1. Break even. Yeah, put it just slightly above profit. Where am I at? 65. Okay, I'll put it at 66.25. Okay. Yeah, I'm just gonna take it off the tap right there. Yeah, that sounds fine. They're tapping the wick here. It really shouldn't matter if it's a wick tap, but we'll see. Let's just get that follow through, please. Like, bro, this ain't shit. It's 30 fucking points. Let's just hope we don't get hit break even, man. The second time, well, third time to be honest. Wait, is it third time? I don't know, it's either second or third. We get hit break even. Which honestly I'm cool with, bro. I got to the point where I'm cool with getting hit break even. Back then I wouldn't be, but now it's part of the plan now. That's like in the middle. Worst case you lose. Second, or you get hit break even, or you win. You know what I'm saying? Like I'll take break even any losing day, any day. Come on. This one was a little earlier here because it's like a demo account. So I was like, yeah. But if you look at this, honestly, this actually looks a really good ass trade here. This is your typical V-shaped recovery here. On the 15, 30, not so much. But now that I look at it, this was a pretty good trade, really valid. But I wanted to wait for a fucking CISD above these highs up here. Well, it's mainly looking at the 30-second. This here, I wanted to see it close above that, and then eventually close above here. This we still had that 5-minute that hasn't been tapped yet, but we did have the 15, which is why I entered. If we didn't have that 15 right there, then yeah, I wouldn't have entered off of this. It's just not good enough. Ugh, come on, bro. Give us that pump, man. Give us that follow through. If it goes back to my fucking, or this is my entry right here. If it goes back to the entry, it just doesn't make sense to me. I mean, the trade is still valid, but probability-wise, I don't know if I would want to play that anymore. Because they might want to sweep these out and then eventually go up. Oh yeah, another thing was we had some TDs here. inside that 15-minute fair value. This line here is the 15-minute fair value. So yeah, let me actually update this because that's the 5-minute fair value right there. This is the 15. Well, there it is right there. Oops. So yeah, so it's pretty good. It's a really good setup actually. So we get that tap, bro. We're SMTing this right here. We really shouldn't see anything out of that. Another SMT here. Cool. Come on. Pump. Okay, they tap theirs. That's not really an SMT. Let's just hope we get a tap on ours. I'm getting off at this high here. I don't like how reluctant it is because I'm already up quite a bit. Bro, really, bro? Oh, hell nah. Come on, bro. I have my TP at 40.75. Oh, it should be 40 flat then. Let's see. Fuck it.
Stop filled.
Nice. Okay, I'll take that. I'll take that. I'll take that any day. I'll take that. Oh yeah, I'll take that, bro. So you can see right there. Probably gonna hit that, but like, it's not that much, man. It's not that much difference, you know. And yeah, nah, I'm cool with that. I'm cool with that. Oh yeah, and this one, the account is active now, but by the time it was active, I think price was around here. Yeah, it was around here. Like this itself is a valid trade, but I don't know. I just didn't feel like it was good enough, you know, to put risk on the funded here because we already grabbed Asia. But you know, it was pretty clear we're gonna take this, but at the same time, we already grabbed Asia. That's like the main objective for me. So yeah, that's why I ain't take that shit. Imagine this shit just dumps from here. We should be able to hit this. Hold on, I might have been, okay. I'm not even on the right chart. But yeah, we were like right here when the funded account was activated. Like I said, like this would have been a good trade. This was a pretty good trade, but yeah, I just didn't think it was good enough for me to put a risk on it. But hold on, man. I'm gonna just go over the first trade I took because I don't feel like fucking editing this shit. So first trade I took was on both accounts, Lucid and what is this, Alpha. This was the target here. Something like this. No, it was like this. It was like that. And one of the two was at like 908 or some shit. Yeah, right here, around there. We tapped into 1 minute. We had that untapped 5 minute, but there was something about it. It was telling me that we not like something about it was telling me like we might not tap it, which as you can see we didn't. I got in at the 30-second inversion right here. So with the Lucid, I only needed a 1-to-1, so I got it off right there. But the Alpha, you know, as soon as we hit 1-to-1, obviously I gotta go break even. So you can see we got hit break even right there. So I think that was the only trades we took actually. Hold on, let me see. Yeah, there it is, the first trade right here. Wait. Oh, I took a trade right here too. Hold on. It was right here somewhere. Yeah, it was around here. You got 1 to 1, got hit break even. Because the way price was moving, we were so aggressive, so close to Asia. I was like, you know, 'cause I also have this protocol when price is really aggressive. You know, it's fine to look for entries in the seconds. But as you can see, that didn't work out. But, you know, you got hit break even, so that's fine with me. So that was the first trade. Yeah, first trade was up here, trying to run this high. Second trade from here to here, got hit break even. Third trade, yep, worked out. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. I normally only want to take 2 trades a day, but that's 2 losing trades. So none of those were losing, so that's why I still had enough bullets in the chamber for to take another one. But yeah, I think that's it. Overall TP up here without TP on this shit. We got out at 44, 44. So right here. So we gave out like 8 points, let's just say. So it ain't shit. 8 times 6. Yeah, we gave out $40, bro. I'm not tripping over fucking $50. You know, R-wise, is, you know, it's not a good thing to take off there because I try to target 1 and 2. So really, it should be up here. But I don't know, man. Like, it's just something about the way price is moving at the moment. And us already taking out Asia. That, yeah, like, I'm cool with sacrificing a little bit of R, man. Like, I really don't care. But yeah, the most optimal entry for this setup here is right here, literally where I entered at the demo account. Like at this inversion right here. But at that point, you know, like in hindsight, it looks amazing. It looks great. Yeah, I should have entered there. But you know, when you're at the moment, it's different because we also still had this 5 minute here untapped. So you know, if we had that tap right there, especially if they SMT'd that, then yeah, then I probably would have caught this. But no, I'm not tripping, man. This was a good trade nonetheless. You see the reason why I did what I did right there. Like, sure, this could still work out. I'm not saying the trade is invalid, but I don't want to go through this. I can't explain it. There was just something that's telling me that it's not gonna give me that, like, those overshoots that normally happen. Cause maybe because we already did it right here, this big ass move up. But yeah, by no means is this trade invalid. This trade is still very much valid. But I'm just not, you know, I just rather not fucking go through the fucking retracements here. Yeah, that's about it for the day, man. I'll see you guys in the next one.